My name is Edmond Yakani, Executive Director of CEPO. I would like to take this opportunity to say the ban of social media platform, Facebook and TikTok by our National Communication Authority, it is unfortunate. It is something that we don't expect it because we are aware that these two social media platforms, Facebook and TikTok, have easy communication among our citizens. If it wasn't Facebook or TikTok, we could have not realized the atrocities committed against our citizens in Sudan during the military confrontation between Sudan Armed Forces and SAP, and specifically the incident of Wat Medin. We are aware that also our National Communication Authority is intending with good faith to tell us South Sudanese not to abuse the use of social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok. But the decision that they have made is a decision that require an act of a parliament or decision of parliament, or require legal procedures to be in place and requires a law to be in place. And that's why we're saying legally the decision is under challenge. And that's why people are saying legally let the decision be challenged in a court of law. But the intention, we know our National Communication Authority intend to communicate to us a good message in the same manner as our National Media Authority have communicated to us in providing a guidance on us to take responsibility when we're using social media platforms like Facebook, like TikTok. We should not use them for promoting hate speech, hostile propaganda, misinformation, disinformation, or fake news or images that may not count. But we are aware that if it wasn't the image of our own citizen being slaughtered in Facebook, we could have not responded harshly, or we could have not demanded for accountability. And today we have seen our Minister of Foreign Affairs is in UN, demanding UN to join the call for investigation of atrocities committed against our citizens in Sudan. If it wasn't the Facebook and the TikTok, we could have not have evidence to claim or to make that appeal that was being made to the UN Security Council. And we are aware that there are South Sudanese whom strongly we need to condemn them, and Sudanese who also strongly we need to condemn them. They are abusing social media platforms in sending hate speech, hostile propaganda, misinformation, and disinformation. We need to use the Facebook and TikTok in a responsible manner. We know that fact. In the context of South Sudan, this particular lesson make me to appeal to our government on the following concerns. Concern number one, our parliament have delayed enactment of the legislation on computer misuse and cybercrime, which could have been the law that could have been applied by our judiciary in addressing these particular challenges that we have seen today with regard to matters of computer misuse and cyber crimes. And I'm aware that our judiciary have established a tribunal that handle cases of computer misuse and cyber crime, but the court is not well equipped that it can exercise its mandate as required by the establishment order for the creation of the court, which was created under the judiciary. So we have legal gaps in our country with regards to matters of misuse of computer or cyber crime. And now they are becoming real, and we have seen when our National Communication Authority ban or send a message of possible ban of social media platform, Facebook and TikTok, we have seen the reaction of the citizen so harsh against the system or against the government, because they feel it's an interference to the freedom of expression, access to information, and their privacy. Yes, in regards to the growth of democracy, this decision is unacceptable. This decision is unfortunate because it hinders the exercise of a democratic engagement among citizens, and it limits civic education. And as I've said that also, these two platforms offers a job. And that's why I would like to appeal to our leaders. Moment has come for you to enact a legislation that address issues of computer misuse and cyber crimes, and we need to have in our judiciary a functional court that is democratic in nature, transparent in nature, in handling crimes associated with the use of social media platforms. But we would like to urge our leaders that we are urging you with due respect and honor, lift the ban on the use of social media platform, Facebook and TikTok. Why? Because they have a very important role in our life in the current digital world society. We promote our culture using them. We receive money from the diaspora using them. We are having business using them. We have access to accurate information using them. And our people in the villages having access to accurate information using them. People who are abusing them, there should be a legal way of handling the abuse by some individual whom we term them as criminal-minded individuals. Therefore, let us have legal framework and legal procedures in handling matters associated with misuse or abuse of social media platform. Thank you very much.